Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I made this proper Nigerian pepper soup. Oh my lord, oh god, guys, it's very easy. In my own opinion, I feel like there isn't much to do when it comes to pepper soup, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So here I've got my cow leg, I've got Saki, some Pomo, and then I've got goat meat. Oh my god, goat meat. And I washed them obviously before putting them in the pot, and I'm just going to go on to season it. And something, growing up, I really never understood like the importance of pepper soup. I just used to think, what is this soup? What is the point of having just something watery? Why are you just drinking something watery? Because I don't use pepper soup to eat rice like some people do or whatever. I just take pepper soup on its own. So I never really understood like, what is this? Like, why am I just drinking soup? And but now I do, because pepper soup makes so much sense now. Like, those days when you just want to eat good food and you just have pepper soup first, as a starter, and then you have like jollof rice and stuff. Oh my god, guys, you should try this recipe. You should definitely try it out. But before I talk too much, you can use fish as well. You can use fish, you can use catfish, any form of fish. You can use anything. You can use turkey, you can use chicken, whatever you want with your pepper soup, really. That's why I like this soup. Like, you can do it in whatever way you want. You can use whatever you want. So I basically let this cook for an hour, and I didn't think it would take that long actually. But I kept coming back to check every 15 minutes, and I discovered that the meat was not properly like cooked or like soft the way I wanted it to be. So I just left it there for an hour basically. And it might take longer for you or shorter, it depends on how you want your meat to be. But guys, this pepper soup was yummy, like yummy. Yummy is the word, literally. But thank you for watching, everyone. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't. Also, please share with your family and friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Also guys, oh my god, I love to hear from you guys. So if you have any question, anything, please leave a comment below, or you can DM me on Instagram. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.